This is Gary the shark. It's a dogfish.
He's a male shark due to his grooved sex organs here. He has an anterior dorsal fin and a posterior dorsal fin, and a heterocercal caudal tail fin.
Sexing of the shark.
He has two pectoral fins and two pelvic fins back here.
And you can also see its rostrum, which is right here, and then its mouth, and its nostrils right here, and then the ampullae, which is up here, and then its eyes too.
He has nictitating membranes that protect his eyes around the cornea. He also has spiracles located on the posterior dorsal side that help with water intake, and then you can see his gill slits, which bring in water and filter out the oxygen for when he breathes.
His lateral line would be up here, but you can't see it from the outside.
He also has a fusiform body
These are
shape.
Gary's gills. They have 5 internal gill slits that lead here into cavities called gill pouches. In here there is something called a gill raker, which rakes across the gills, it's right here, to clean them and get rid of all debris. And then in between his gills here, he has brachial bars. This red part here is a gill filament. It's coated in red blood vessels to help draw the oxygen from the water.
Okay, this is Gary's oral cavity. He has 2 rows of teeth, as you can see, and then his tongue is right there too. And then, yeah.
It's located in the pericardial cavity, and it has 2 lobes. So it has this muscular ventricle and then this smaller 2-lobed atrium. And the ventricle pumps the blood to the gills and then through the body and back to the heart. These are the testes, and they are dorsal to the liver, and the sperm pass from the testes to the kidneys through narrow tubes called efferent ductures.
In our shark's kidneys, you can find the efferent ducticles and the seminal vesicles, which can be found like in here-ish, the ribbon-like structure.
This is the stomach. Food comes in through here and comes to the intestine. And this is the pancreas. And then this is the spleen.
And that leads into the intestine here, which
Connects to the colon, which is right here.
This is our fish's liver. He has a left and a right lobe with a middle lobe containing his gallbladder. This is Gary's pancreas. Its main function is to secrete digestive enzymes, and then Gary's spleen right here helps store red and white blood cells for his digestive system.
Okay, so in here is where Gary's brain is, and there's 3 parts to his brain. So there's the forebrain, which contains paired olfactory bulbs, and then there's the middle, which is, well, the front is here and then the middle, which is called the midbrain, that contains two prominent bulging optic lobes. And then there's the last part in the back, which is called the hindbrain. And that consists of two cerebellum and medulla oblongata.
Okay. Gary's eye has a lot of structures in it. So the sclera is the tough white fibers on the outer coat of the eye. The iris is this pigmented region in here. He has the lens, which is the clear, flexible structure. And then the optic nerve, which you can't see but connects back into the mid-lobe of the brain and the part that we've dissected over here. And then he has his retina over here, which is gray and white. It's covered by the membrane, so you can't see it, but it's over there.